Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about quadratic equations. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So before getting into quadratic equations, let's see what are linear equations. Okay. So linear equation. So the general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is general form of linear equation. Now why this equation is called as linear? As you can see that degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1 in this case. Hence we call this equation as linear equation. So we can say that degree or power or index is always 1 in this case. So here x and y are called as variables. Okay. So x and y are variables and a, b, c are real numbers. So we can say a, b and c are real numbers. So a and b cannot be 0 at same time in this case. So a comma b are not 0 at same time. So a can be 0 but b cannot be 0 in that case. But b can be 0 and a cannot be 0. But both cannot be 0 at the same time. Okay. So this form of equation are called as linear equation. We can take any example, that is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is one form of linear equation. Or minus 3x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation. The condition is degree must be 1 and 2 variables. So here we have 2 variables, that is x and y. So we can say that this is linear equation in 2 variables. So linear equation in 2 variables. Okay. Now let's learn about quadratic equations. So the equation involving only one variable and has 2 as maximum power or index are nothing but quadratic equation. So let's see general form of quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is general form of quadratic equations. So in this we can see that x is the only variable, or we can say x is only one variable in this case, and maximum power or degree in this case is 2. So we can say that maximum degree, or we can say power or index in this case is 2. Similarly, a, b, c are real numbers and condition is a is not equal to 0 in this case. Okay, so only one variable, that is x, maximum power 2, and condition is a, b, c are real numbers in which a is not equal to 0. So this is general form of quadratic equation. So we can see examples like 5x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. Also we can say 1 upon m plus 2m is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. When we'll solve this, you'll get m square in this, and which gets converted into maximum index 2. So which is also quadratic equation. Also we can say that 5x square minus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is also one of the form of quadratic equation. So we can see many examples, like one more example we have, like y plus 2 and y minus 5 is equal to 0. After solving this equation, we get y with this bracket, y minus 5. plus 2 with y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we'll get y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. That is y square minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0, which is in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, so these were basic examples of quadratic equation. So let's see some numericals related to this.